we have proper maintenance schedule. Our safety committee does the maintenance of all the forensic issue, and also we take care of all the safety systems here. Sports committee, they take care of all the sports items. HMT Pre-C College has a proper safety maintenance system here. In the SIC also, you can see that all the staircases have been marked with the zebra cross at the bottom and as well as the top. Caution postage for mind your head, steep ladder. Also in the blocks, wherever that required area, we put anti-skid tapes. And these inculcating habits, starting from here and for the cadets throughout their life at sea, we don't lose anything and we do the proper maintenance. Safety first, safety always.